Hi, today I'm going to be giving a fiber cable tutorial. Due to its high speed, large carrying capacity, and smaller maintenance costs, fiber optic cable is gradually replacing the traditional copper wire. Fiber optic cable provides greater resistance to electromagnetic noise from motors, radios, and the neighboring cables, especially power cables. Fiber optic cables are suitable for carrying transmission both long and short distances for connecting local phone systems, cable television networks, industrial plants, university campuses, electric companies, and office buildings. Although the fiber optic cable system is very analogous to the copper wire system, the primary difference is the use of light as a transmission medium in fiber optic cables. Fiber optic cable systems can work in conjunction with copper wire systems. The transmitter is used at one end of the fiber optic cable system to originate data coming onto the fiber optic lines. The transmitter accepts information as coded electronic pulses from copper wire, then processes and translates them into equivalent light pulses using ILD, injection laser diode, or LED, light emitting diode. The light pulses will be funneled into the fiber optic medium by a lens. A light source near to infrared wavelength of 850 nanometers is used for shorter lengths, and 1300 nanometers for longer distance on multi-mode fiber. While on single-mode fiber, light of about 1300 nanometers is used for shorter distances and 1500 nanometers for longer distances. A principle called total internal reflection states that when the angle of incidence exceeds a critical value, light cannot get out of the glass and instead it bounces back in. This principle makes possible the transmission of information using light pulses in the fiber optic lines. The core of the fiber optic cable system is made of very pure and clear material with easy reflection of light. Mostly glass is used as the core of the fiber optic cable. However, plastic may also be used as a core for short distance transmission. The glass of the fiber optic cable is almost always made from pure silica along with other materials. Fiber optic cable acts as a guide to the light from one end of the cable to the other. The transmitter transmits the light source as on and off pulses and are converted to digital zeros and ones by the light-sensitive receiver at the other end. The strength of the light may become weaker after traveling a certain distance and can be strengthened by using repeaters. The only disadvantage of fiber optic cable is the high cost as compared to the copper wire. However, with advancement in technologies, it is becoming cheaper over time. Fiber cable is categorized into single-mode, multi-mode, and plastic optical fiber. Single-mode cable is also known by the names single-mode optical wavelength, mono-mode optical fiber, and unimode fiber. It is comprised of single-strand glass fiber with diameter ranging from 8.3 to 10 microns and one mode of transmission. The comparatively narrow diameter allows only one mode to propagate, typically 310 nanometers or 1550 nanometers. Single-mode cables are carriers for higher bandwidths than multi-mode fiber, but need the light to be of narrow spectral width. It is widely used in applications where data is needed to be sent at different frequencies. Although single-mode cable is more expensive than multi-mode cables, however, it provides a higher transmission rate. The usage of fiber optics has increased rapidly with time and is considered the backbone of the telecommunication industry. Fiber optic cable is quickly replacing the copper wire in almost all parts of the world. Various organizations like cable television companies have integrated the cable system with fiber optics, while some have developed a fiber coaxial hybrid, which allows the integration of fiber optic cable with coaxial cable at the neighboring locations. Industrial plants, office buildings, schools, colleges, and universities are the few names that widely use fiber optic cable in their LAN systems. Fiber optic cable is becoming more popular in power companies for monitoring their power grid and communication systems. If you would like to purchase fiber cable, visit us online at www.serveracksandcable.com. serveracksandscable.com, or give us a call for a quote at 1212-757-0095.